Hi guys, welcome to Hawkeye Projects. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of an update what's happening with our new showroom, as you can see here, Hawkeye Projects. Yeah, we've just moved into a new factory. We're decking out the showroom, gallery, inspiration room, however you want to call it. Yeah, we're all pretty excited. This is going to be pretty cool for people to come in and have a look at what we do. But I just wanted to take you through and show you, we're laying some pretty cool flooring into our office area, and I just wanted to run that through with you. So come along, I'll take you through. All right, so here we've got Gavin over here. He's our installer. He's just realised we've put him under pressure, and we're doing a little bit of a video. There's Kath over there. She's doing paying all the bills. Hello, Kath. And so the gallery is going to be over in that room over there, we'll have a secret door that goes through a bookcase. It's going to look pretty cool, and people will be pretty inspired when they come through this area. So at the moment, Gavin's laying a hybrid floor. We're direct laying it straight onto the slab. Very cool stuff. It's 6 mil, Gav? 6 mil. 6 mil. It's got I'll take this little piece that he's just got here. Really cool stuff. Basically, it's a 6 mil hybrid flooring. Inside here is a limestone. So basically, this stuff is we don't know the percentage of what stone it is, but it is a stone. Waterproof, pretty much scratch-proof. Scratch-proof, waterproof, bulletproof. Well, I don't know about bulletproof, but it's pretty cool stuff. It's got a rubber backing on it. It basically just gets laid directly to the slab. All kinds of different textures and really durable stuff. If you're going to put this in your home, or any flooring in your home, this is the stuff to put in. We wouldn't compromise with all this laminate stuff. If you're on a really tight budget, still don't put anything else in your home. Just save up the money and get some quality materials put into your home. That's what we're all about. We're not here to we build quality homes for people. We don't want to build something and then it falls apart within a couple of years. So we're really excited. We've got the showroom being built now, and we look forward for you guys coming down, having a bit of a look at what we do. Have a good one, guys. See you later.